The structures of the eye, starting with the external parts, then moving inward toward the internal anatomy, and then finally breaking down the differences between rods and cones, the two types of photoreceptor cells. Let's start with the external structures. The eyelids protect the eyes from dust, bright light, and injury. They also spread tears across the surface to keep the eyes moist. The eyelashes act like tiny filters, catching particles before they enter the eye. The conjunctiva is a thin, transparent membrane that lines inside the eyelids and covers up the white of the eye, providing lubrication. The lacrimal apparatus includes the lacrimal gland, which produces tears. Tears to keep the eye moist and wash away irritants. Sclera, known as the white of the eye, is the tough outer layer that provides protection and structure. The cornea is the clear dome-shaped front part of the eye that blends the light so it can be focused on the retina. And finally, the iris and the pupil. The iris is the colored part of the eye, and the pupil is the opening in the center. The iris controls how big the pupil gets, regulating how much light enters the eye. Now let's move inward to the internal structures. The lens sits right behind the pupil. It changes the shape to focus light onto the retina, allowing us to see objects clearly at different distances. The aqueous humor is the clear fluid in the front chamber of the eye, helping maintain pressure and nourish the cornea and lens. The vitreous humor is the gel-like substance filling the large cavity in the back of the eye, helping the eye maintain its shape. The retina lines the inside of the eye. It's packed with photoreceptor cells that convert light to electrical signals. The macula is a small specialized area of the retina that allows for sharp central vision, while the fova is located in the macula, gives us the sharpest vision of all. The optic nerve carries all visual signals from the retina to the brain, where they're processed into images we see. Inside the retina, there are two types of photoreceptors: rods and cones. Rods are extremely sensitive to light. They allow us to see in dim or dark conditions, but they only detect shades of black, white, and gray. So rods are all about night vision and peripheral vision. Cones, on the other hand, work best in bright light. They are responsible for color vision and sharp detail. There are three types of cones, each sensitive to either red, green, or blue wavelengths of light. When they work together, they let us see the full spectrum of colors. So rods are specialized for low light, black and white vision, while cones give us daytime high detail and color vision. The external structures protect the eye and regulate how light enters the brain. The internal structures focus on light and convert it into signals the brain can interpret. And the very core, rods and cones, work together to give us vision across a wide range of lighting and color conditions.